Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Steve. So you know the videos are where I am in this video. I've already been to Sofia as per my last few videos, but this video is really about just getting the van sorted out. And I did some of the filming before I went to Sofia. I'm in Hillsborough Forest Park in County Down, Northern Ireland. A really beautiful place. There's groups of kids everywhere, so I'm sort of I'm walking to avoid loud noise, kids screaming. I found a nice quiet spot, so I'll sit here, hopefully not get disturbed too much. I came back from Europe 3 weeks ago now, and I'm just back a couple of days from Sofia. I've started back into working in the van. I had it nearly finished. I got most of the parts I needed, and there was only one part that I couldn't get, and I've done a repair on it. And I'm pleased with the way everything's coming out. So the van's nearly ready to be sold, and my plan now is, first of all, I want to get sorted and away as soon as possible. So get the van sold. I'm also looking for a car. I'm going to buy a car, hopefully something suitable for Spain, and I'm going to leave and drive southern Spain, and I haven't decided what I'm going to do when I get there. So I may rent an apartment for a while. While I'm there, I still haven't made up my mind about motorhome and camper van, etc. So I'll have my mind on that the whole time and looking around me to see what there is. So because I've come back in June, that allows me to get the van prepared, easier to sell coming into the summer, and it means I can still get away, and I'm still going to be in the summer. Although they're having a heat wave at the minute in Spain, it looks super warm. I'm glad I wasn't there in the van with no air conditioning. So that's the plan. Seem to be living my life that way now. I don't really mind what I'm going to do next. I'm not worried about what I'm going to do next. So this video put together some before and after photos. It's now Monday, and I want to get the van advertised by Wednesday. And who knows if it's going to sell. It might sell quickly coming into the summer, but if it doesn't sell, I'm stuck here. I have to sell the van. Everything I'm going to do next revolves around getting the van sold. So fingers crossed. All right, enjoy the video. I'll catch up with you at the end.
Flashback.
So here I am, back in Northern Ireland. Definitely earlier than I thought. I would have thought I wouldn't have been back for another 2 or 3 months, but plans just have to change sometime. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to spend the next week and a half working in the van. I have to repair the side that got scraped in Italy. I've already got that one part, and last night I ordered another part which is on its way, and there's only one bit at the minute that it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to get, so I'll have to figure that one out. And then I'm heading off to Sofia to get my teeth finished. I'm going to come back, it will be sell the van. I'll explain a wee bit more about my thought process with the car in a later video, but I'm going to buy a car and take it from there. So it's nice to be back, but I'm looking forward to getting away again as quickly as possible.
End of flashback.
So I took a few before and after photos. This is the toilet door, which, as you can see, the hinges took a real battering, and this is the part that I managed to get at the scrapyard in Essex, and the new one, ta-da! So well pleased with that. It only cost me £15, so fantastic, absolutely delighted. Now this is the gas vent, and it took a real hammer, and as you can see the top of it broke as well. And I bought this online, but it was more expensive. I paid 50 quid for it, but ta-da! Nice and new looking again. Well pleased. Now the next one turned out to be the biggest problem, because I couldn't get, it's a door that's damaged, and I couldn't get the door. Wasn't possible. And you see down the right hand side there, it took a bash, and a wee bit further to the right, even the edging took a bash, and the door lock got smashed as well. So I ordered the door lock, no problem, but I decided I would have a go at fixing this myself, and this is the job. So I think it's turned out pretty well. Ta-da! Yeah, I'm well pleased with it. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. I'm well satisfied with it. Where did I leave off? This is the longest stretched out video that I've done because there's a day in between filming and stuff, so I have to remember where I left off. The van is now outside, complete, ready to go. I'm going to show you it. I'm sure nobody will be going to be interested, but I'm going to show you because I'm dead proud of it. So, van's finished outside. Also, I've been looking for a car and I've seen a car. It's about 70 miles from here, but I'm going to go and look at it, although it seems a wee bit too good to be true. It's only a Ford Focus, but it's got the hard top that goes down, and it's really, really good price. So anyway, I'm going to go and see it shortly, and you never know, I might have a car by the end of the day. The inside of the van, which is a complete mess at the minute because I'm dumping and sorting and everything else. I'm going to spend tomorrow cleaning it, so I'm a wee bit further behind, day behind when I thought I would have got it up for sale, but up for sale the day after tomorrow. So it's all happening. I'm off now to look for a car.
6.5 hours later.
And I bought the car. So I'm all geared up, got the car, got a great deal, like a really good deal. It's got high mileage, one owner from new, but it's 11-year-old, and it has a soft top or a hard top. So that's the vehicle for heading off again. Just need to get the van sold. So guys, there you go. I'm going to end it there. I don't know when I'm going to do another video. There's no point in making videos in Northern Ireland. But I'll keep you up to date. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe would be great. Thumbs up would be great. And if you want to see more, hit the wee bell icon and it'll notify you whenever I bring out a video. But until next time, bye for now.